Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will see a short paragraph named as My House. Let us start. A house is a place where a person lives with safety and peace. Usually in a house, people live with family. I live in a beautiful house near a river. My house is located in the countryside. It is in the nature and I like staying here. I enjoy staying here. It is a one-storied building made of bricks. I love to keep my house neat and clean. My parents and one sibling live here. The entire house looks very beautiful because we have got a beautiful garden in front of it. Overall, it is such a wonderful place to live. House is a place where our heart lives. Wherever we stay, our heart is always at home. That's why everyone loves their house. I live in a small house with my parents and my sister. Our house is not big enough, but it is very cute and beautiful. We have two bedrooms, a dining and drawing room, a kitchen, and two bathrooms there. My father built that house 5 years ago. The house is still new. We have some spaces in front of the house and I have a beautiful garden there. This garden has added so much beauty to the house. I love staying at my house with my family. It is a place where I feel safe and secure. I love my house a lot. There is no place comparable with the house. It is a place where people live safely and tension free. Everyone lives in their houses. I have got a house too. My house is located in a big village. We have all the advantages in our house. We have electricity, water supply, and all other advantages that a home needs. Our home is decorated beautifully by my mother. She loves keeping the house neat and clean. I have got a beautiful garden right in front of the house. It increases the beauty a lot. My house is made of bricks and it has a big roof. We can spend time there. Even we can arrange our family functions and parties on the roof because it has enough space. Overall, my house is a place where I love to stay all the time. It is my safety and comfort zone. I love my house a lot. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you think it's useful. Thank you.